Making stuff can be both fun and rewarding. A couple of months ago I made this touch-activated lantern, and if you follow me on social media, hint hint, you might know that I won a prize for it from Instructables.com. A great website, by the way, go check it out. Anyway, let's see what's inside this huge box that they sent me. The first thing that I find is this backpack, but it's not quite your usual backpack. It is made for camera equipment. Inside it you have compartments for your camera, your lenses and whatever accessories you may have. There is also a t-shirt, of course. I'm probably going to be wearing this only on very special occasions. I also got some stickers and this cool looking Instructables patch. And now here's the most exciting item in the box. A brand new camera. This is a Canon Rebel T7i bundled with an 18-135mm lens. I haven't played with it much yet, but if it takes good video, it may end up replacing my current camera, a Sony Alpha 5000. So once again, a big shout out to Instructables.com for sending me all these goodies. And thank you for all the inspiration, for all the shared knowledge, and for the amazing maker community that you've brought together. Now excuse me, but I've got stuff to make.